Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn something very easy yet very interesting. That is called word cloud. What is it? It's a simple data visualization technique. It will be very useful for you to present the text data, and when you get this word cloud presented to you, the size of the particular word will tell the importance of the word as well as the occurrence of the word, the number of times that particular word has occurred. But before you go into the demo, it is mandatory for you to install matplotlib and word cloud with pip install matplotlib and pip install word cloud. This is must and don't forget it. Now we are going to the code, and it's very simple. From word cloud, import word cloud. Now import matplotlib.pyplot as plot. Now in the text, I give the text Sachin Tendulkar. The name is enough. He has played an excellent role in Indian cricket, and he has demolished the bowlers like Akhtar, Akram, Megra, Wan and many more. Sachin is an ambassador for cricket, long live master, and Sachin is an ambassador for cricket, long live master, has been given twice or thrice, and that's copy pasted because to prove you that that's of high importance. Now when we get the output image, you can see that the master, long live, all those things would have definitely got a bit in a better dimension. It could have been larger. Sachin Tendulkar, the name has come multiple times, so it should be larger. We will see how exactly it comes. Word cloud equal to word cloud dot generate text, and the text is nothing but the same thing which we have generated, which we have given here, and that goes as an argument here. Now we are generating the word cloud. Now we are printing it. We are going to plot it. Now how do we see the result? Very simple. I can do an F5 and you could see that we got the result. Sachin has come so many times. The name of Sachin has been presented so many times, so it has come in a very big font. And cricket, it has come multiple times, so it's big font. But rest of the names, if you see Akram, if you see Akhtar, all these names, Wan, all these names, Migra, they have come in a smaller font. That shows that they are of number of times that they have been mentioned is minimal. Also, the Sachin and cricket, ambassador, live long, all these are the terminologies or the words which have come for the larger number of times, more number of times is what we could see. That's it. I hope you understood this. You can use this for your presentation and all other things. If you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much for following my channel and the content. If you have any questions, type it in the comments. Thank you.